In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cart notes on the Shopify Dawn theme. Cart notes are a simple but powerful way to let customers leave special instructions before they check out. This can be anything from delivery details, gift messages, or customization requests. In the Dawn theme, this feature is built in. It just needs to be turned on. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can follow along on your own store. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, and your online store. Make sure you're logged into the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're on the dashboard home screen, look for the section related to your online store theme. Next, click on the option to edit your theme. In most cases, this will be labeled as customized next to your active theme. This opens the theme editor where you can adjust how your store looks and behaves without touching any code. Give it a few seconds to load, especially if your internet connection is slow. Inside the theme editor, look towards the bottom left or right corner for a small gear icon. This represents your theme settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Theme settings control global options for your store, such as colors, typography, and in this case, cart behavior. Once the theme settings panel opens, scroll through the list until you find the section labeled Cart. Click on Cart to open all of the settings that relate specifically to how your cart page or cart drawer functions. This is where Shopify has placed the option for cart notes in the Dawn theme. In the cart settings, look for an option labeled Cart Note or something very similar. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. By default, this may be turned off, which is why your customers currently don't see a notes field. Click on the toggle to enable it. When it's on, Shopify will automatically display a text box in the cart where customers can type their notes. After turning on the cart note, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the top right corner of the theme editor and click it. Wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved. To finish, preview your store's cart page as a customer would, add a product to the cart, and confirm that the note field now appears and is working correctly.